Super easy to fly.
Oh my God, you're going up?
Max, she's gonna learn how to fly soon.
I was just gonna fly the hammock, but Ray didn't want to.
This way she has time to think about it. All right, let's go.
I'm coming out too.
Everybody, come on. Let's make it a family affair. Come on.
Look out, Babs!
Oh my God!
You guys have AMA certification?
All right, so the cool thing is with this plane, all you have to do is just kind of barely touch the controls and it goes where you want.
Oh, cool.
So there's no freaking out about it. No, nothing. You'll be fine. We'll go over here. So don't feel tense. Don't feel like you're going to do anything wrong. You'll be fine. If anything happens, I'll take it back.
As long as it's high enough that I can still see it, but not...
Yeah. And so let me fly around first a little bit and then you'll get used to it. So Max,
Which one?
so tell me what you need to know. Okay, so I'll tell you
Which one goes...
This is what makes it go like that. What? Yeah. So these are the one. This is the one you're going to be using the most.
Okay.
That's right. That's left.
Oh, okay.
This is up and that's down.
Okay.
But with
Down
this,
is up.
yeah, down is up. It's backwards.
Okay.
So with this plane though, the only thing you're going to need to do is the throttle is right here. You're probably only going to need to leave the throttle like right there, and then that's pretty much it.
Okay.
And then move that a little bit.
Okay.
The key to it is very small movements. And since this plane has this gyro, see how it's fighting everything I do? It keeps it level. So let me get this jack.
Gyro, good.
Yes, makes it easier.
Team driver.
I think
Never had a driver.
What's the one you learned on?
What'd you learn on?
A champ?
No.
T28.
Yeah, that has a gyro built in. Okay, so this is, just watch how easy it is. All I do is just kind of let it go, and it just does what you want. So take your throttle to about half, and then I'll bring it back around. But just, while I'm flying, just take a look at what I'm doing and see it's very little of anything. And the plane's still doing its own thing. But then I just let go. See, I'm not doing anything right now. It's doing it all by itself. So all I do is just small little inputs here and there, and that's it. So it should be pretty easy. Is that too high for you? You ready to try it? I want you to be comfortable, so tell me where you're most comfortable. Is that too high?
No, that's good.
Okay. Alright,
So,
come back around.
Actually...
You don't?
No, you got it. You got it. You got it.
Makes me nervous.
You're good.
Okay, well like I said, you can't crash, so
Can't? Okay.
no.
Right.
And that's you right now.
Time remaining.
I'll take it back. So that's you right now. And see how you don't have to do anything? It's just doing its own thing. Just make little small adjustments
Oh my
to
God.
make it move. There you go.
Look out, it's diving!
You're okay. Just push a little more to the left. That's okay, and then it's going down, and I took it. We're good. So see?
So if I would have pushed down, it would have gone up.
If you would have pulled down, it would have gone up. Yeah.
Pulling it towards you is up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's what
Pushing
she,
it away from you
and
is
that's
down.
what she said. So we'd have been good. Okay, so whenever you bank the wings, you need to add a little bit of back pressure to keep it from losing altitude.
Oh,
So.
got it. Okay.
And if it's too much, we can stop. It's no big deal.
Remember to
Is
breathe.
this me?
It's me right now, and it's gonna be you right now.
We're still left.
It's okay. I got it. Back to you. Pull back.
I'm up.
Ah.
There you
It's
go.
okay.
Time remaining. 3 minutes.
And back to you.
You got it, Mims.
There you go. The other way. There you
got
go.
it.
There you go. It's okay. I got it. Don't worry. I take it away.
Good recovery, Mims. Here, try maybe going out a little bit farther.
I want to stay away from Mike. Yeah, there's a lot going on.
Go.
So I'm gonna go. If I can't go too far with this because
Try
the
right there. I think
right there. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, that's you.
Slow to the left. Left. There you go. You got it.
Little more.
There you go. You got it.
Hold back towards you a little bit.
I'm gonna take it because he's doing a little fast. Okay.
I get T-bone.
Yeah, I flew through a plane of his yesterday.
You did?
I did. That's why I moved because I don't want it to hit me. All right, so let's come back.
Was it an explosion?
It was. There was nothing left. Okay.
Other plane?
Of his plane. Mine's fine. That's you.
Okay.
Michael, we
Time
got it.
remaining. 2
You got it,
seconds.
Mims.
There you go. Pull back a little bit.
Come back. There you go. Nice.
Pull back. There you go. You're good. You got it. Pull back. Pull back.
That, you
Okay.
take it.
I got it. Give a little more throttle. So a little above hat. A little more. There you go.
Mike is
There you
coming in for
go.
Mike.
I know. I'm waiting.
Landon called.
Come on in, Mike. I'll stay clear.
It's okay. It's okay. No pressure. You cannot pressure.
Just hang out and wait for him, and then we'll go back. There we go.
Come around again.
I'm just in a holding pattern.
I like the high alpha with your top gun.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
That was
I
fun.
think high alphas are really cool.
Yeah. Then you can actually see what it's doing.
Yeah.
Come on in.
Mike, race it. Yes.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
All right.
No way.
Sorry.
Okay, you ready? You ready?
Yep.
And that's you.
30 seconds.
Pull back. Pull back. There you go. Just let it turn. Keep pulling back. It's all right. I'll take it.
Boy, that plane really wants to stay up.
It's fighting to stay up. Okay, back to it. It's drifting. It's drifting. There you go.
9,
Pull back. There you go. To the right.
8,
All right, I'm taking it.
2,
On the runway.
Yeah, I think that's it. We've got battery. She's taking it off really quick.
Thank you.
I think she's done. You're welcome.
Ray, can I fly it?
Go. You ready?
Yeah.
That's you. The death blender. That's a good way to put it. Hide behind something substantial. You're welcome. All done? All right. I'll let you fly it another time if you
All
want.
right. Thank you. Thank you so much.
It's a lot of fun.
It is a cool plane.
Very cool little plane. I can catch it too. But this is the fun part, is just hovering right there. All right.
I think it might be a cool.
Okay, cool. Go do it. Yeah, I have no problem. Training's fun, but not everybody. It's not for everybody.